So as I sit here and I hit a wall here recently, a little bit in my career, because I explain it this way. I wanted to be able to become something and continue to be a positive example, which I am. But one of the things I failed at is learning how to plan long term. See, my long term was maybe a year. And the reality of it is that to become the person and have the life that I would like to be able to have, I have to be able to sit down, commit even harder than ever before, and understand that the life that I would like to be able to have is going to come through the process of me disciplining myself and getting better at doing the small things. And I think about my football days. Like, it took me so long to be able to obtain a scholarship to go to a D1 school, Arkansas State University. But when I look back at it, that started in high school. I went 4 years, and after 4 years, I had to go 2 more years before I was able to get into a university, even a D1 scholarship. And I look about this thing in business and just in life in general. You have to constantly have that mindset. You have to commit to something and then understand that it's not going to come over a couple of months. So it's not going to come as soon as I want it. But I got to be committed to it. I have to make sure I get down and I grind and I continue to work on myself. And as I'm reminded by people like Zig Ziglar, Grant Cardone here recently, and Gary Vee and Eric Thomas, Brian Tracy, just all these influential people, Jim Rohn, man, he said something profound to me, and it was just like, I never thought about it that way. And when you just start exposing yourself to more of this new information, it's like, okay, I understand these men who's made a great impact on this world, they had to do this over time, not just 6 months, not just 5 months, but years, dedicating themselves to a profession. And that's one of the walls I've hit here recently, but I'm back continuing what I need to do to be able to make a positive difference in your life and also in mine. But I wanted to share this with you because, I'm a very encouraging and positive person, but at the flip side of it, you need to be able to see how I'm continuing to struggle with those things and on a day in and day out, because I know it's you out there doing the exact same thing, wanting to make a difference, whether it's in business or whatever form of business you're in, or you work for a business and you want to continue to move up that ladder. Whatever it is, I know that this can be some form of inspiration. And I just want to share that with you. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think and share a post. You think somebody else will benefit from listening to this and hearing this? Hey, I'm just a 28-year-old that's going to keep grinding, that's going to keep doing what he needs to do to make not only a positive difference in this world, but in my life. Because ultimately, we want to be able to have the freedom to go out and make a difference in this world. And I'm going to do that with my voice. I'm going to do that with my business and through sales. So love you. Peace out.